Hey tubes, check this out. I just picked this up from an estate sale today for $5. This is a Penneys brand by Lakewood box fan. It's all metal construction. There's not really any rust, just a lot of flaking and chipping paint and a few stains. Penneys. The only thing majorly wrong with this fan is one of the fan blades is bent. Maybe somebody took a sharp object and put it through the grill one time and the fan blade caught onto that sharp object, bending the blade. Otherwise this fan works pretty good. Low, medium, high, and off. And I'll give you a demonstration. Hold on. As you see on the grills, there's a lot of flaking and chipping paint, or just chipping paint. It's 3 speeds, 20-inch, Combinato by Lakewood. Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company, Chicago 7, Illinois. Low, medium, high, and off. And I'll give you a demonstration. Hold on. Well, you ready? That's high. It's pretty quiet. Medium. Slow. Back up to high again. And off. Something I really didn't need, but I couldn't resist buying it. And that concludes this video. Bye.